reflecting on the competition within the agri-food chain. The ACCO carried out this research given to concern about how imbalances in bargaining power between operators in the different links of the agri-food chain may negatively affect competition and economic efficiency in the medium and long term. Regarding the inputs market, the wave of mergers in the agrochemical sector has led to a concentration of international production in 4 major groups, some of which are considered the most important companies in Catalonia. Both agricultural and livestock production are characterized by their atomization. However, a concentration process to be seen due to the disappearance of agricultural holdings and an increase in their average size. The processing and the transformation chain mainly consists of SMEs, but also comprises a number of important large companies. The wholesale distribution highlights the importance of Mercabarna and the growth of wholesale trade establishments and logistics centres. The retail distribution is characterized by a certain degree of concentration, since within the 50 largest groups, the top 3's market share in sales above the 40%. Within the EU, the objectives of Common Agricultural Policy, CAP, take precedence over the competition defence. However, the CJEU also acknowledged that maintaining effective competition is one of the objectives in both the CAP and the Common Organisation of the Markets. The production and commercialisation of agricultural products are subject to defence competition regulations. Nevertheless, exemptions can be applied. Some of these exemptions can be applied anytime while others only in a critical situation. There are also exemptions applicable at any time to certain products and sectors. Furthermore, the agricultural sector may also be subject to the same exemptions as any other sector. As long as certain requirements are met, the recognized producers' organizations or associations of producers' organizations may commercialize and negotiate contracts jointly. Pricing, quantity agreement, or the exchange of strategic information shall also be exempted so long as the previously mentioned actions are taken by members of the same producers' organizations or association of producers' organizations. These organizations or associations must be recognized by a member state, and the actions should be strictly necessary for the pursuit of one or more of the objectives assigned to them. Independence, innovation, and rigorousness for and towards competition is one of everyone's best interest.